What's up? It's the 1B, and we are going to do some Photoshop. I'm going to be editing, I'm going to be editing a thumbnail template for some YouTube backlog gaming stuff. Let's see if I can find the right folder. I feel like this is... Yeah, this is the right one, I think. Okay, so the one that we're going to be editing for today is Kentucky Route 0. Going to pictures, gaming start screen, Kentucky Route 0, right here. We'll just go ahead and drag this down like this, pop it in on there, drag it down into here, go ahead and delete this one. And then I don't actually mind this current layout. My only issue is this V to grab the move tool, and we'll go ahead and lay that in here. And we'll turn on this one, and we'll grab this, which will be 1. This is a good question actually right now. I haven't decided on how many episodes. So far there's 4. We're going to call this one 5, this one 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to say that there is 10 currently my light is the browser. It's got like a white page. 10 episodes. That's where we're at right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the title here. We're going to zoom in some. Press V. And we're just going to go down till the text touches the border. And we're going to go up 30 pixels. Same thing over here. Oh, come on now. It's not 30 pixels either. That's 30 pixels. So let's go up 30 and then out 30. Right there. So that's where that'll go. And then the fun part, which is the eyedropper, which you can also press I. What is it, I? Is it E? I think it's E. Oh, it is I. Let's zoom in and let's grab this color. What is that? It's like a gold. And let's scroll down to the borders. Do we want, I think the outer border. Dang it. There we go. And then the inner border we'll take as this color here. Let's see what that looks like. I'm not mad at that. Not mad at that at all. So we're going to go ahead and save as. Thumbnails Backlog Gaming. We're going to make a new folder. Kentucky Route 0. Go in there. Kentucky Route 0 thumbnail. We should put YouTube thumbnail. YouTube space dash YouTube space dash thumbnail. That's how we want that. And we save. Click OK. And then we're going to start exporting these because this is the page. This is episode 1. Then we will we will space dash episode 1. And then we will hit enter. And we will go text tool. And we'll change that to 2. Select, file, export, quick export. Select that. And then all we have to do is change this. Click save. Come down here. Change that to 3. Go to there, file, export, and we just got to do this 10 times now. Select that one. 3, save. Did I save that already? Now I'm confused. I did 3. So then we're going to change that to 4. Accept it. Export it. Click there. It's 4. Change this to 5. Accept it. Export it. Six. Accept it. File, export. I guess 10, right? There might be more, there might be less. It depends on the editing situation. One more. We might have to adjust a little bit on this one. Yep, see, we're gonna have to open that up. There. Then we're gonna go ahead and select this one and underscore. Nope, just this one and this one. Center that. See what that did is that brought it back in center with everything here. And then we will file export number 10. And save. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get these situated on the uploaded episodes on YouTube. And the next 10 days, I believe these should be going up. I had some other stuff planned. I'm not sure when I'm going to release that. Just kind of goes. I'm not quite ready to release some of it. So I'm probably going to start releasing this. And then maybe release that during the day, one of the same days as one of these episodes. Just not quite there yet. So for now, this is Kentucky Route Zero thumbnail creation, and these episodes will be up soon enough, or they're probably actually already up by the time you watch this one. So go ahead and the link will be in the bottom in the description, so check that out. And I'm going to go ahead and set these up. So hopefully you go and watch one of my other videos, and I will talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.